Hello students, today we are going to learn about linear equations. Linear equations is the degree of the equation is 1, then it is called a linear equation. Here we have two types of linear equations. Linear equation with one variable and a linear equation with a two variable. And a linear equation with one variable, let us see. The standard form of the linear equation with one variable is ax plus b is equal to c, where x is a variable and a comma b comma c are constants. For an example, 4x plus 7 is equal to 8. Now the standard form, we have to write that into 0, or 4x plus 7, the 8 will come this side, LHS, it becomes minus 8 is equal to 0. Therefore 4x minus 1 equal to 0. If you write like this, it is easy to find 0 of the polynomial. Let us see. Now 4x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1 by 4. Now this is the value of the x for this equation. If you keep the 1 by 2 here, you will get 8 on both the sides. Therefore this is the solution or the value of x. Now for finding 0 of the polynomial, we have to consider as RHS to be 0. That means here this is the first part and we converted this is the simplified one with RHS 0. Now take that equation for x minus 1 equal to 0. Now the x value becomes 1 by 2. Substitute here in place of x. Automatically you will get 0. Now this is the 0 of the polynomial. 0 of the polynomial and value of the polynomial, both are different. Now this is only for finding whether the LHS and RHS is correct or not. If you substitute, you will get 8 on both the sides. But here, if you take that value and substitute in the standard form when the RHS is 0, then you will get the 0 of the polynomial. Now let us see linear equation in two variable. Actually, I am giving you one example. The standard form is ax plus b equal to 0, where x and y are called variables and a and b are called constants. For an example, 2x minus 1 equal to 0. Here x and y are variables. When we have two variables, actually we need two equations to solve the two variables. One equation cannot be useful to find two variables, value of the two variables. Therefore, if we have two equations, so that we can find two variables. But here we are considering only one equation. We have that lesson. First one, 2x minus 1 is equal to y is an example I have given you. Now we cannot find value of x and we cannot find value of y with one equation. But we can represent, actually this is called a linear equation in two variable. So two variables mean, here in a graph we can see, here we have x-axis and we have y-axis. Both are the two variables. They are two variables. So that we can represent this linear equation in two variable graphically. Now how to solve graphically? How to represent this line in graphically? Now 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. It is a linear equation. Linear means the line. Therefore, we can create a line in the graph by using this equation. Now, first you take this equation. It should be in the form like ax plus b is equal to y. Now choose x values like 0, plus 1, minus 1, plus 2, minus 2, etc. So you can take any number of values. Now let x is equal to 0, substitute in this equation, and this term becomes 0, minus 1, y is equal to minus 1. Now we have choose x is equal to 0 and we got y value. When we chosen x is equal to 0 and y is equal to minus 1, x comma y is a coordinate system. Here 0 comma minus 1 we got the values. 0 was chosen and minus 1 we got it. Therefore this is a one coordinate system, we got it. Now let x is equal to 1 and substitute in the equation, you will get y value, it is 1. Here in the same way x comma y, that is 1 comma 1 we got it. So when we got two values, point out in the graph. Here this one is 1 comma 1 and this one is 0 comma minus 1. They are very near, and join them with a scale. Therefore this line name is 2x minus 1 is equal to y. So 2 points are required, minimum 2 points are required to draw a straight line. 3 points, if you take a third point, if you take a fourth point, if you take a fifth point, all the points will be included in the same line. So minimum 2 points are required. Just you can start from 0, positive 1, negative 1, positive 2, negative 2, like that you can extend, so that you can get in the first two options, you can get the 2 points. So likewise we can represent a linear equation in two variable graphically. Now you have an assignment. The first question, write into the standard form and find the zeros of, I have given you 4 linear equations. Now you have to convert them into the standard form and find the zero of the polynomial. Next, I have given you 4 equations in 2 variable. Now you have to represent graphically and post it to my WhatsApp. Thank you.